Hi, my name is Malia and I am a dental hygienist. And let's talk about floss picks. Do you floss with these at home? You totally can. The biggest thing though is to make sure you're using them correctly. So a lot of times I see patients just use them in not the most effective way. You just snap them in between your teeth and out. But the job of floss is to get underneath the gum and break up the bacteria that's under there. So if you're going to use a floss pick, what you want to do is you want to gently seesaw it between your teeth, push it against the side of the tooth so you make a C shape, and help that floss get underneath the gums. Now, I don't want you to put trauma with your gums. Don't put so much force that it hurts, but gently just work it underneath your gums. So let me show you. So you're gonna seesaw, fish again, fish, and seesaw out. See how I'm gonna go on both sides? Couple sides. I'm gonna floss a couple on up and down, a couple on both sides. Just like that. So if you love floss picks, I'm not ever gonna tell you as a hygienist, do not use them. Sometimes regular string floss can get underneath the gum a little bit better, but if you've tried it and you're like, no way, I'm never gonna use that, keep using your floss picks, but make sure you're using them the proper way. The other thing you wanna make sure is don't litter them. Have you seen them all over in parking lots or on the ground, wherever? They are plastic, unfortunately, so make sure you're not littering them, but putting them in the trash where they belong.